Il-pajjiż qed jaffaċċja sfida kbira u aħna rridu naħdmu sabiex niksbu lura id-demokrazija. Sostna dan il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Adrian Delija meta l-4 filgħaxija indirizza il-Kungress tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew, kungress illi qed jitlaqqa fil-kapitali Kroata Zagreb.
Journalist Daphne Caruana Galizia was assassinated outside her home in Malta. This morning, a man implicated in one of the most serious corruption scandals my country has ever seen was caught trying to flee. His associates have been well protected in government for the last 3 years. People are out on the streets of Malta whilst I speak. They are demanding truth. They are demanding justice. They are demanding accountability.
Meta tkellem dwar l-aħħar żviluppi u l-aħbarijiet kollha li kellna f'dawn l-aħħar sigħat minn Malta, il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista tenna l-apprezzament tiegħu għal fatt li l-grupp tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew qiegħed jaħdem u jistinka sabiex jibqa' jappoġġja liċ-ċittadini Maltin u Għawċin fil-ġlieda kontra l-korruzzjoni u fil-ġlieda favur id-demokrazija.
When my children tell people they are from Malta, I want them to think of our strength of character. I want us to be able to prove again that we may be small, but we are great. That geography does not limit our potential. That European values matter even to the smallest member state, and that the smallest member state can demonstrate them proudly. This is the challenge of our generation. Today.
Matul il-ġurnata Adrian Delija kellu diversi laqgħat hawnhekk ġewwa Zagreb fost oħrajn ma' Ursula von der Leyen illi mill-ġimgħa d-dieħla tibda tmexxi l-Kummissjoni Ewropea, laqgħat ukoll ma' Donald Tusk illi min issa beda wkoll fil-kariga l-ġdida tiegħu bħala President tal-Partit Popolari Ewropew, laqgħat oħra fost oħrajn mal-Prim Ministru Irlandiż u anke ma' Manfred Weber illi fi Brussell imexxi il-grupp tal-MPs tal-Popolari Ewropew. Weber illi Net News ħadlu kumment ukoll dwar l-aħħar żviluppi illi kellna f'pajjiżna fl-aħħar sigħat.
That is an European issue because especially to defend an anti-corrupt policy and to defend also the freedom of press is so basic, is so fundamental for the European Union. That's why the news from Malta are not only Maltese news, they are really European news. And that's why I really ask the Prime Minister to show leadership now and to give a proper answer on this.
Robert Cremona għal Net News minn Zagreb.